Hello students, let me start by asking, have you ever compared prices online and said, this phone must cost less than 30,000? That's not an equation, it's an inequation. Today, we'll dive into a special type, linear inequations in one variable. A linear inequation in one variable is an inequality where a variable appears with power 1. For example, x plus 3 less than 7, written as x plus 3 is less than 7. To solve this, subtract 3 from both sides. That gives x is less than 7 minus 3, which simplifies to x is less than 4. So, any real number less than 4 is part of the solution. See how this inequality describes a whole set of values? Solving linear inequations is quite similar to solving linear equations, but there's one important twist. Here are the rules you can follow. Rule 1. You can add or subtract the same number on both sides. For example, x plus 5 is greater than 9 becomes x is greater than 9 minus 5, which simplifies to x is greater than 4. Rule 2. You can transpose a term from one side to the other by changing its sign. So, x plus 2 is less than 7 can be rearranged as x is less than 7 minus 2, which gives x is less than 5. Rule 3. If you multiply or divide both sides by a positive number, the inequality sign remains the same. However, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must reverse the inequality sign. This is the key distinction between equations and inequations. Let's go deeper into the most critical rule, reversing the inequality sign when dealing with negatives. Take this example, if x is less than 2 and we multiply both sides by negative 1, we get negative x is greater than negative 2. See, the less than becomes greater than. Here's another case, 3x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 5. Multiply both sides by negative 4. That gives negative 4 into bracket 3x minus 1 bracket close is less than or equal to negative 20. Let's simplify. Negative 12x plus 4 is less than or equal to negative 20. One more, negative 6x is less than or equal to 12. Divide both sides by negative 6. That becomes x is greater than or equal to negative 2. Remember, whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, always reverse the sign. Now let's walk through the procedure for solving linear inequations step by step. Step 1. Simplify both sides. Remove brackets and combine like terms. Step 2. If fractions or decimals are present, multiply both sides by a suitable number, like the lowest common multiple or a power of 10, to eliminate them. Step 3. Move all terms with the variable to one side and constants to the other. Step 4. Make the coefficient of the variable equal to 1. If you divide by a negative number, don't forget to reverse the inequality sign. Step 5. If there's a replacement set, that's a set of possible values, choose the final solution set accordingly. Let's try a simple example. Solve 3x minus 7 is less than 5. Step 1. Add 7 to both sides, that gives 3x is less than 12. Why? Because 5 plus 7 equals 12. Step 2. Divide both sides by 3, that gives x is less than 12 divided by 3, which simplifies to x is less than 4. Now, suppose the replacement set is curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 curly bracket close. Which of these values satisfy x is less than 4? Answer: 1, 2, 3. So the solution set is curly bracket 1, 2, 3 curly bracket close. Visualizing this on a number line can help. Just shed all values less than 4 without including 4. Now, let's take an advanced example. Solve 2 into bracket 3x minus 5 bracket close plus 4 is greater than or equal to 3 into bracket x plus 1 bracket close plus 1. Let's expand. Left side becomes 6x minus 10 plus 4, which simplifies to 6x minus 6. Right side becomes 3x plus 3 plus 1, which is 3x plus 4. Now move variables and constants. 6x minus 3x is greater than or equal to 4 plus 6, which gives 3x is greater than or equal to 10. Divide both sides by 3. X is greater than or equal to 10 divided by 3. And that's our final solution. Let's quickly revise what we've learned. A linear inequation in one variable expresses an inequality, like less than, greater than, instead of an equality. You can add, subtract, multiply, or divide both sides just like linear equations, but remember, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, reverse the inequality sign. Use number lines or replacement sets to present your solution clearly. I hope this gives you clarity on how to solve linear inequations in one variable. Until then, keep practicing and stay mathematically sharp.